everyone, today I'm going to color Dora. Let's start by coloring her hair. I'm going to color her hair brown. Look at the monkey. He's Dora's friend. The monkey is playing around Dora. Monkey looks so happy. I'm going to color Dora's eyes. She has big brown eyes. Let's color Dora's hand. Let's color her legs now. It's time to color Dora's face. Dora is carrying a bag on her shoulders. I'm going to color Dora's bag green. Let's color her shorts red. I'm going to color her t-shirt yellow. Clothes look so colorful. Let's color her socks yellow. Glitter time! I'm going to make Dora's shoes glittery. Red. Look at the colorful flowers. Dora and the monkey are so happy playing together. Bye bye. See you next time.